Okay, happy. What's Monday? So I am back with a what Amazon unboxing. Okay, so everyone knows how I love my coffee. Y'all know I have me a cup of coffee every morning. Okay, what about coffee time and chit chat? Yes. So, and for you coffee lovers that want your coffee nice and hot, here it is. We have the electric milk frother. I just ordered this early this morning and it came today. I have that Amazon Prime. Okay, and so this is going to make my cream nice and hot and get that froth. Y'all look at this. Okay. Let me bring this down a little. Bring this down a little bit. There you go. So y'all can see it. You don't have to see me. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is by Bodum. Bodum? Okay, yeah. I'm excited. Because y'all know I've been old school for a minute. I've been warming up my milk, my cream. I've been warming up my cream in a pot. Yes, I have. Okay, so this is the lid here. Okay, so this is the frother, and it has the up and on button. Now, I read some reviews. It's a very good frother, but also you have to remember to turn this off, okay? Otherwise, it's going to stay on, okay? So, that's off over there. But I don't have it plugged up yet. Okay, so we will, let's see how this, what all we got in here. So how is everyone doing on this beautiful Monday? So, okay, so this goes on the bottom, y'all. Like so. Okay. Let's see, I want to make this. It's supposed to, I know it should lock. It should lock. I know it should lock. Or should it? Okay. So I guess we could swivel it. Okay. And then you want to make sure that you have the cord coming out of this notch right here. Okay. With the cord coming out of that notch. Okay. And of course, so let's see if we can bring it down. So there you have it. Okay. Bistro. Okay. Bodum. That's a brand. So this is the milk frother and steamer, and it steams. It froths and it also steams. Okay. So I can't wait for this, and you can also use this with your iced coffees as well, because you would like that froth on the top of your iced coffees as well. So I can't wait to use this tomorrow. Use this. So I have two new gadgets. I have my steamer and frother, and I have my magnetic charger and stand that I am recording on. Let's pull this up some. Okay. And then you can tilt it. I really love this because you can tilt it however you need to. And so yes, we are out also enjoying some wine on the patio. That's Miss Coco playing with her toys. We just came back from, of course, I did a little workout. This was my warm-up day. Okay, this was my warm-up day. So I just did a little stretching, some light weights, and then I took Coco to the doggy park. And you all know that the spring is here. The spring is here. So it is heating up, and it's around, it's probably 80 degrees now. I have to show y'all Coco's new haircut. Yeah, she went to the groomers yesterday, y'all. Yes, I had Petco to hook her up, get her ready for the spring. Yes, I did. So she looks good. So she's back cut short. I keep her cut short during the spring and summer so she could stay cool. Yeah, they always do an excellent job. They also do an excellent job. So I will show you her. We'll do a video. She could show herself off. Okay, so happy Monday, y'all. So how was y'all weekend? How was y'all weekend? I had a wonderful weekend, as always. Every day is a beautiful, blessed day. Every day is. Yes. So this is my second unboxing, because my first unboxing was my magnetic cell phone holder and stand. And if you don't have one of those, you need to purchase one. You will love it. You will love it. It is charging while we are recording. Yes, it is. I love it. Okay, so thank y'all for tuning in. And you coffee lovers, check this out. Now I'm gonna use this tomorrow morning, and we're gonna see how it works out. Okay, so stay tuned for a coffee time and chit chat. Okay, featuring our new frother and steamer. Okay, yes, babes. Thanks for watching. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. I don't know why Coco is barking unless she hears the birds across the street, because I don't have no more packages coming today. And y'all, I have some cute stuff, some cute stuff. Y'all know I had to find some little cute stuff from Temu. Temu is ready, getting you ready for the spring and summer. Yes, has some cute accessories and short sets and slides. Yes. So my packages should start arriving next week on the 8th. From Temu. Okay, so y'all stay tuned for the next video. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and follow me on TikTok at Zion Israel Locks. Bye, babes. Okay, everyone, I have forgot. Here's the instructions. Yes, it comes with the instructions. I'm so glad. Okay. And the instructions. And let me show the picture on the side. I didn't show you all this. So it's really simple to use, okay? Very simple.